Hi guys, welcome to shikharatutorials. Myself CMA Banu, I'm accounting faculty in shikharatutorials. Today I'm coming up with how to get 70 plus marks in a financial accounting because only 25 days left in our hands for June 2026 examinations. Don't worry. How to start the preparation of financial accounting, what is the order of preparation, and how to write the questions in the examination I will discuss in this video, and what is the ABC analysis and what is the paper weightage I will discuss clearly in this video. If you follow this video, definitely you are going to get 70 plus marks. So here, first, so many students are in a stage like same like Balai Babu. So first of all, you have to follow 3 steps. In that, what is the first step, ma? With a smile, you have to believe in yourself. Same like Priyadarshini, believe in yourself. You have to believe same like Shivadarshini. So here, next one, order of preparation. First, you have to follow. You have to try and complete insurance claims, a very easy chapter. So within a less time, you can go through the insurance claims, covering of 6A, covering of definite 7-mark question. And next, immediately go and do the branch accounts and departmental accounts. So please don't left the departmental accounting because we may don't know in the upcoming examination they will ask the departmental account also. So in the branch, especially dependent branches, debtors method and stock and debtors method. Go through those 2 methods. A very important method is stock and debtors method in this next attempt. So next one, try and complete the accounting standards. Accounting standard covering in 7A, 7B and 8A. Nearly 21 marks we are going to get from the accounting standards. So easy and easy to overcome. So in this accounting standard, don't forget to refer differences between AS and Ind AS. So you have to refer AS, difference between AS and Ind AS, because we can get 1 7-mark question there in examination. Let's come to the single entry, a very important chapter. Single entry 7 marks, and they may ask you final accounts, a very important topic. Final accounts or NPO. From these both the topics you will get 1 question. Okay na guys, same like MQP patterns they are going to follow in the final examination. That is the reason very important concept is called as final accounts in the upcoming attempt. So next we can go through the bill of exchange and consignment. So please cover in this here joint venture also. So from these 3 topics, 1 question they will ask in the examination. So next you have to try and complete hire purchase and leasing. Don't leave the leasing chapter. Next one, bill of exchange, capital and revenue and depreciation. And next, rectification of errors, PBD, provision for bad debts and trial balance. And next, try and complete partnership. So this is the order of preparation. This is called as order of preparation. When coming to the examination point of view, you have to write in this sequence. If you write in this sequence, within a less time, you can write for a more marks. So first try and complete 6th question. Same like a preparation, you have first completed the 6th question. In the 6th question, we will get insurance claims, branch and departmental. Same like here also you have to cover the 6th question first, and then after you can try to write 2nd question, 3rd question, next 7 and 8. 2nd and 3rd question means like a bill of exchange and a rectification of errors. 3rd question means same like consignment and hire purchase. 7th question means nothing but accounting standards. Then after try to write 8th question. So then after try to write the MCQs. After that only you have to write single entry and partnership. Okay now, don't start your examination with single entry and don't start your examination with partnership. Give the last preference for these 2 topics. Okay na guys, while studying or while writing in the examination, please do these 2 chapters at the end of your preparation, guys. Okay now. So next one, from my side, what I have provided to you for this upcoming attempt means I have released the part 1 of single entry, branch, departmental, NPO, PBD and insurance claims. And part 2, I have covered total accounting standards including the hire purchase. In the part 3, I have covered the partnership accounting. And I will come up with the MCQ section. In that MCQ, I am going to cover the MCQ from ICMA material, past papers and recently released by the icmai vatma, the MCQs related topics. I will cover those MCQs. So most probably you can get 24 marks. That means most probably you can attempt to 12 MCQs easily. Okay, na guys? So next, then after, if you see the question paper analysis, already I have discussed it to you. So 2A, depreciation or BRS, rectification of errors on capital and revenue 2B, 3A, consignment, bill of exchange and joint venture, leasing or hire purchase. Question number 4, insurance, single entry, final accounts and NPO. 5, partnership. 6, branch departmental. 6B, insurance claims. 7A, accounting standards. 7B, accounting standards. Partnership accounting. 8A, 8B, NPO, PBDR standards. 8C, standards 3 question. So this is the question paper analysis, as you all know. So give importance to the final accounts, and straight away you have to give the importance to the trial balance for this upcoming attempt. So if you follow these steps, so easily you can go through, easily you can crack the exemption in financial accounting. So thank you, very all the best for your upcoming examinations. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.